Hi guys, get ready to indulge because today we are making a curry that is pure luxury on the plate. If you are craving something rich, velvety and utterly satisfying, then you are in the right place. We are diving into the magic of cashew nut mushroom masala curry. This is restaurant style deliciousness made right at home. The secret to this curry is incredible richness lies in two key ingredients: cashew nut, which create that luscious creamy base, and earthy mushroom soaks up all those amazing aromatic spices. I'll guide you through every step to build those layers of flavor, ensuring your sauce is perfectly smooth and your mushrooms are tender and juicy. This dish is hearty enough for a main course but elegant enough for any special occasion. So if you are ready to create a truly unforgettable curry experience, grab your ingredients and hit that like button and let's get cooking. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. And also please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a mixer jar and add 4 tomatoes cut in 1/4. Add 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 2 green chilies, 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 3 green cardamom, 3 cloves, half cup yogurt, half cup cashew nuts, half cup water, and then blend this to a smooth puree. So the puree is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add half cup cashew nuts and fry it until crispy and golden brown. As you can see that the cashew nuts have got a nice golden brown color. Then add 400 grams mushrooms cut in half and fry it until the mushroom changes its color. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. When you fry the mushrooms, it will release its flavor. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and fry the masalas for about 2 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the onion and cumin. Then add the puree which was previously made and give it a nice mix. Then add about 1.5 cup water and give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 2 stock cubes. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. And then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the curry is nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. Then add the mushrooms and cashew nuts. Curry needs to be nice and thick because when you add the mushrooms it will release more water. Then give it a nice mix. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add half tablespoon lemon juice. And then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and give it a mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cook it until the mushrooms are nice and soft. As you can see that the curry is perfectly cooked now. Then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes without the lid. Then give it a nice mix. So the cashew nut mushroom masala curry is ready. And there you have it guys, our absolutely deliciousness of comfort curry. Our cashew nut mushroom masala curry is ready. Just look at that perfect velvety texture and how beautiful those spices cling to the mushrooms. It's pure indulgence. This curry pairs perfectly with literally anything. Fluffy basmati rice, crispy tandoori rotis and that irresistible garlic naan. This is a guaranteed showstopper for your next dinner party. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you loved making this luxurious curry, please show your support by hitting that like button, and for more creamy vegetarian favorites, remember to subscribe. Until our next delicious recipe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.